Evening people, welcome back. Friday Night Garage Night, episode 20. I just wish all the boys all the best for this weekend, for the show. Obviously I can't make it this weekend, but we're hoping to get ready for the next show. Is it in Bristol?
Yeah, I
Down that way?
Swindon.
Swindon way, is it? Swindon. So that's the goal for us. So fingers crossed all goes well. We should meet that one anyway, so hopefully catch up with all the boys and that, when we're there. I've managed to get the cap ends as well. Let's see what I've got here. I managed to get the cap ends for the lights from M-Machine, and the brackets as well for the tailgate that goes under the back valance and meets the floor. So we've got them, so that's good. They weren't expensive either. I was quite chuffed with that. So the plan is tonight I think we're gonna do some TIG welding tonight to finish off that back step and the cap ends. I think
The caps and the
bottom of
the bottom of the valance to the
light
panel.
Aye, because I think Matt Green. Oh yeah, there's a thing for Matt Green as well. I need to do for him tonight as well. Is where the rear panel meets the rear quarter valance corner piece, because his rear panel is rotten. He wasn't quite sure where it met, and it meets up to the bottom of the floor. As the floor comes across, it steps down like that, and the rear valance comes across. But we'll show him anyway. He's probably sussed it out already, but just in case if he hasn't done that yet. But we can do that. And also there's a wee piece for Piper Doug at the end of the video, so he doesn't feel alone. So my son's done a wee tribute to him. So
we like Piper Doug.
Aye. I like
hardest working man on YouTube, eh?
Definitely.
18 odd days, 7 days a week.
Aye, and all weathers as well. So hats up to the man. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. See you shortly. Right, boys and girls, that's us for the night. Hasn't been a very good night tonight, I must admit.
Good night, just not productive.
Aye, just been arsing about too much. But you'll see at the end anyway. At the end of the video, there's a special bit for Piper Dog. You know what I mean?
Be nice though. I've only been playing 3 weeks.
Aye.
I feel like a 12-year break. So.
Aye, so be nice. So
it's been fun. It's good fun, eh?
Aye. It's been good fun. I need to get some button head screws for the hinges for the tailgate. So I need to weld in the brackets for the tailgate, but I'm better off bolting the hinges and the tailgate to the brackets before I weld the brackets to the frame, if you know what I mean. So I've got it in the exact perfect spot. I'll show you anyway, and you can what I mean. We have done the bits for the under the lights, haven't we?
It was a big fail. I kept dipping the puddle, and I was getting frustrated. And we haven't got a belt sander here, and so I just gave up and used the MIG.
No, I just used the MIG instead for that.
But we'll get back to the TIG eventually.
And what else are we going to do?
We'll take you in and show them.
Aye. We'll take you around and let you have a look and see what you think.
There you go.
This bit here is for Matt Green. He might have sorted it out already, but the back panel here, it comes past and it steps down from the floor. If you see from here, Johnny, as it comes flat, then it tapers down, and that's what connects to the rear quarter panel here onto the wee lip, which is underneath there, and that's where your quarter panels, your valance quarter corners meet together on here, because I think Matt's is all rotten here, and he's on about making bits for the bottom of the lights as well, because these were the same. These didn't have any flanges on these at all. You know what I mean? They just come straight. So obviously we've got it matched up to the edge of this valance here, and then we'll do the exact same thing inside here. We'll make the flange up inside the car, inside there. So that'll be filled inside there too. We've got the holes drilled out, so they're done for the button heads in there, and then we've got the slots cut out here. They are a wee bit wide, but obviously once I get it all in the exact spot, then I can always piece that in. It's only millimetres either side. It's not a lot, and sort that. Then we can get that closing panel on, and then because ideally I wanted to get these in, because for the jig, which is lying over there, because the jig is only coming from these 2 points here and then straight out. There's no support in the middle, so I think I can maybe make up some sort of jig up this part here to join onto this part to keep that straight, so it's all bolted in together. So it's bolted here and then it's bolted there, so that's going to support the car a lot better. Just just on that on its own. So that's another point that I wanted to do on that. So I have made inquiries about the window. She's going to get back to me on that to see if we can get maybe a half window for that made, and she'll speak to one of the guys up there, but obviously that's going to take, that might take 2, 3, 4 weeks. I don't know yet, so I think we'll just like I said, we'll make an attempt on using that what do they call it again, the bead roller. So we'll just use that and try that. But again, it's just been one of those nights. You get them yourself. Nothing's going right, or you can't be asked, or But again, never mind. It's just one of those things. I have got the car up a lot higher, to work on from underneath here, so we can get the camera set up underneath the car. To let you see. To let you see what we're doing underneath the car. So, but like I say, stay tuned. There's a wee bit at the end here for Piper Dog, and I hope you enjoy it. It's the first time he's played them in 12 years. So, thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks again. Bye bye for now.